Alec is reading a book about elves, or rather eating a book about elves. It's December 28th, I think. Sweetie, come here, out of the way. And Alec is soon to be 6 months old on January 3rd. So he has come a long way in 6 months. Playing with all of his toys now, sitting up all by himself, eating cereal, and basically just being a happy little guy. A lot of fun. And we love him. Right, Alec? Right, Alec? We love ya. Yes, we do. We love ya. Wow, you got that book. Got that big book in your mouth. I know. It's a great gift. Got that big book in your mouth. Whoa. Can you talk? Can you talk? Alec. Alec, say hi. Whoa, there he goes. Down for the count. Oh, he's going to get on his belly. He says, what is this?